So I have a cigar lounge and I use a BISSELL air purifier to help get rid of all the smokiness in the air. So I need to change my filters a lot more than most people do, and you can see what my filters look like here. I mean, pretty crazy gross, right? There's a huge difference. Obviously, that's a lot of cigar smoke going through there, so I need to change these a lot more than the manufacturer would suggest. But it's very, very, very simple, and it's very reasonably priced as well. They are clearly labeled front and top, and to take them out of the machine, sorry, it's really dark in my cigar lounge, it's on a simple hinge. You pull the top down and pull them out, and if you keep notice of the way they are in and just put the new ones in the exact same way, it's pretty idiot proof in my opinion, but they are clearly labeled top and front. Just take these out, put the next two in, and now your air is purified and fresh again. I bet a lot of people don't remember to change the actual filters on these things, which I think is important for me specifically so I'm not breathing in cigar smoke. But if you're worried about purifying your air, you need to make sure that you stay on top of changing the filters. It's very reasonably priced and very easy to do, and I would definitely recommend it.